Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your region on Amazon Flex. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in flex.amazon.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Amazon Flex website. Now from the homepage, click on FAQ at the top section and from the FAQ menu scroll down until you find account management. Now within account management, you will find the option which says can I change my region. Click on this and you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to change your region. You can simply log into your account, go into menu and then into your dashboard and choose reward details. If you cannot process with changing your region, then you will need to submit a request. From the menu and help section, you will need to contact the administrator team. So in order to contact them, scroll all the way down and you will find the questions contact our support line phone number. You can call within this number that is displayed within, and once you call them, you can simply let them know that you wish to change your location. Upon doing this, you will be guided by a representative within the steps that you can follow if you wish to change your region. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to change your region or location on Amazon Flex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.